Once you uploaded your customer list to Facebook, you can go ahead and create an ad using that custom audience. So you can create an ad and reach out to your customers. And the way to do it is to use this field here, the custom audience field, okay? And then you can just basically choose your custom audience. So in this case, one of my customer lists is called Ad Baker Email. So that's a customer list of approximately 300 people who bought a high ticket product from me. And we're done. So you just select your custom audience and then you can just go ahead and create your ad. No matter whether you select to build up a fan base, drive people to a website, whether you set up an ad that's optimized for conversions, no matter what you do, no matter which ad you basically want to create. Every ad creation process always starts with the targeting, okay? And every campaign objective has the option to select a custom audience. So that's like in 100% of the cases always the same. Just create a custom audience in the first step, and then when you go ahead and create your first ad, just select your custom audience here, and that's how you can reach out to your customers.